Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the XPAN mode which has been launched on the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9. Now when OnePlus launched the 9 series, the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, one of the important changes were the Hasselblad integration. The Hasselblad camera setup has been brought to this device. So this is a partnership which resulted in better camera performance on the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now OnePlus has rolled out this XPAN mode. Now XPAN is actually original Hasselblad camera setup, and here with the XPAN mode, OnePlus aims to bring that kind of experience, the panorama experience to OnePlus devices. So right now this is available on the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9. This is available as an OTA upgrade, and actually we'll be talking about how this works. So just go to the camera, and this actually brings in a new experience. Just swipe up, you can see this new XPAN mode here. So this is the XPAN mode. So let's just turn on this XPAN mode. So you can see that now the full screen is the camera application. This is a kind of a wide panorama image, and this can take images using both the ultra wide as well as the wide angle. That's the 48 megapixel main camera and the 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And the default image is not a 12 megapixel one. It's a high resolution image which is over 20 megapixel, and it features 7552 by 2798 on the 30 mm one, and it has a resolution of 7872 by 2916 resolution on the 45 mm lens. So these are the two options. So you can just toggle between the wide angle and the ultra wide angle lens. So, and then you also get the exposure option, so you can just change the exposure. Then here we have the Hasselblad's red button to click the images, and then you get this option to toggle the black and white mode. So this is the black and white mode. So these are the options available in the Hasselblad camera XPAN mode actually. So OnePlus worked with Hasselblad on two film simulation profiles for the XPAN mode. One is the color mode and the other one is the black and white mode. Now what this does is you can take like a really wide panoramas using the XPAN mode instead of using the default panorama option, which is actually stitching multiple photos together. But here you get a single photo. This is not a stitch photo, and the resolution is higher as well. More than 20 megapixel resolution and a very high quality image as well. So that's the XPAN mode features. Now you can just toggle this and switch the lens, the wide angle as well as ultra wide angle. Now let's take a look at some of the samples we have taken with this mode, both the low light as well as the daylight captures. So looking at the samples, you can see that this does a pretty good job. In fact, pretty impressive job if you want to take a wide panorama using the smartphone instead of stitching the panorama. Here you get a really good image. The details are good, the colors are pretty much spot on, and the sharpness levels is quite adequate, and the image size is definitely on the higher side. We get almost like 6 to 7 MB of image size with over 20 megapixel resolution. So overall the quality definitely looks good, and if you toggle the black and white mode, you can just get some really good images in black and white. So those options are there, and even in low light, since it is using the primary camera and the ultra wide angle camera, the images quality looks good. It may not be a spectacular images, but then it is definitely good for a panorama image which is not stitched, it is taken in one single thing. Now only thing is that it does take a while to capture the images, otherwise it is quite good in terms of overall features being offered. So this is the XPAN mode available on the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9. So that is a quick brief about the XPAN mode. So if you have either the OnePlus 9 or the OnePlus 9 Pro, the OTA update has been rolled out. So you will be getting the OTA update, and once the OTA is rolled out, you can start using the XPAN mode. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.